Alright everyone, today we wanted to do a little follow-up video on how accidentals impact music and what they actually are. So accidentals are notes that a composer wants to use in a measure but that don't fit into the key signature. So if there's a B flat and an E flat in the key signature, but in the music you see an A flat written, that's an accidental. When you look for accidentals in music, usually there'll be notes that have a sharp, a flat, or a natural sign in front of them. That shows that there's something that isn't in the key signature. This first image that you see here has no accidentals in it. This is a piece of music, or one measure of music, that has nothing changed, everything fits in with the key signature. This next image shows a measure that has an accidental in it. The first thing to look at is the key signature. You'll notice there are B flats and E flats, but there are no A flats. In the measure, you'll notice that the second note is an A flat. Find the A flat now. This is what an accidental will look like if you find it in your music. This measure also has something tricky about it. There's a rule with accidentals. Once a note has an accidental in front of it in the measure, any note that's the same pitch in the measure will also be an accidental. Find the other A in the measure. This A is also an A flat because of the rule that the accidentals carry all the way through the measure. Now, accidentals don't carry over bar lines. So the A in the following measure is an A natural. It goes back to what the key signature tells us. The next image shows you three different measures. These measures are written with flats, sharps, and naturals to show how it could look in music when you're looking for an accidental. You'll notice the fourth note in each measure is reset to the key signature by adding either a flat, a natural, or a sharp in front of the note. You may also encounter that in music. Here's a quick review. Accidentals can be noticed in music easily because usually they have a sharp, a flat, or a natural sign in front of them. Accidentals are notes that don't belong in the key signature. Accidentals, when they happen in a measure, change all the notes of that pitch for the remainder of the measure unless they are reset with another accidental, bringing them back to the key signature. Accidentals do not carry over bar lines, so if you have a flat in one measure, it doesn't carry over to the following measure. Keep your eye out in your music for accidentals. If you have questions, please see one of your band directors and we can give you a more thorough explanation.